Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the fandom.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and after that tap on this profile button down below, then click on view profile. Tap on this button again and go to my preferences. After that, tap on user profile at the top of this section. Scroll down to the internationalization section and here you can find the language. Tap on it and here you can find all of the available language options that you can choose from. So tap on the relevant one and then the language of the whole app will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.